this is Cara and I'm here today with a video to get ready for our 30 Days of Gratefulness. I have linked below the 30 days of prompts. So I'm giving them to you right up front instead of like once every week or whatever. This way you can kind of work on your own pace. I mean, the idea is to take a few minutes each day and write down what you're grateful for. And then these prompts, if you want to go deeper than that, you can kind of change it up. But let's say it's a day that you're like, oh, I really don't want to write a lot or whatever. You can just take these journaling cards that are also free for you to print out and just write 5 things that you're grateful for that day. And there's a lot of research that shows that just writing down what you're grateful for or thinking about what you're grateful for helps improve your mood and your well-being and all that good stuff. And with it being November and Thanksgiving at the end of the month, I thought this was a perfect thing to do. My hope for myself in doing the 30 Days of Gratefulness is that I will continue this in my journaling after this month. It's not going to be something that I necessarily videotape, but I'll have a journal, and a few minutes before I go to bed, I'll just write the 5 things that I'm grateful for. Back in my 20s, I'm on a tangent, sorry, but back in my 20s, there was a book called Simple Abundance, and it was an amazing book, and it was a daily kind of, you read and then you do your grateful journal. And that is where I first heard of it. It was an Oprah Winfrey bestseller book. And it really was a great thing to do. So I want to kind of bring it back into my own life again, and I hope you join me. So if you haven't already, you also, if you are making a journal, oh, I just had them. I also have the printout of the numbers. If you want to, there they are, print this out. This is also free and you can print it out, and then you have your numbers, because the combo that I kind of want to do is writing plus a little bit of decorating in my journal. We'll see how that goes. My other plan is at the beginning of the week kind of to find quotes or something that might inspire for the week and kind of get us going in that grateful mindset, and then, you know, kind of do your thing, and then I'll have a recap at the end of the week to kind of show how I've been doing with my journal. So yeah, I hope you join me. And I hope, yeah, if you have questions, leave them in the comments. I feel like I've forgotten some things. I know I have, but for now, here we go. So here's the prompts and the journal cards. And then what I did with my journal cards, and what the cool thing is, you can print this out multiple times, is I cut them out and then I added coffee dyed paper, and then I just stitched around them just to give them a little bit of something, right? A little texture and fun. But I didn't really decorate them because I need writing room. So you'll see that. So I have those ready. I have my words tags are ready. I have some tuck spots. I think I need a couple more tuck spots because I think I've been saying that I really think I'm going to write on something and then tuck it in my journal. And then my numbers are also ready. I'll have that video linked below where I made my numbers for each day. And the thing that I saw in October that was a really good idea that Pink Odd Bird did with her October daily, my bowl is kind of a mess, was she took her numbers that she made for her journal, and I don't think I'll do this on camera because it's all disorganized, as you can see, but if I can find number 1 at least, and I'll show you what she did. She took her numbers, come on, number 1, and then she kind of went through her journal for her October daily, and every other number but 1. There it is. And then kind of designated where each page or how much space she would have for each day. And then she kind of just paper clipped it on so that it was a temporary, do I have a paper clip? Excuse me. Temporary place setter. Place setting, like at a table. No, Cara, like a little, just to let her know that, hey, this is where I want this to go. So you could go through your journal. Another thing to get you ready, so you can just get up and go on the 1st, and then go through your journal and have your days ready to go. I did it for my October daily, and it was really, really helpful. So that's something else. All right, I think that's all for now. And I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Can't wait to get started. All right, bye-bye.